Do you want to learn how to use Bonkers by Merlin AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So here I'm on this page, which is by Bonkers by Merlin, and I'm going to click on this try the new Bonkers, click on here, and it's going to give you a really good dashboard page. This dashboard is currently in beta version. And these are some of the community generated AI images. Now you can type a prompt here on the bottom and click on create. And on the right of this, there's a settings icon. If you click it, it's going to open a sidebar on the right. In this, you see public and private. If you want to switch to private, you have to upgrade to Merlin Pro. For Merlin Pro, I've got a link in the description. If you click on it, you're going to be taken to this pricing page of Merlin. Bonkers is included with Merlin. You can check out the full tutorial on Merlin. I will have it placed in the description. Now for public, you can choose a model here, click here and choose between all these models. So I've got 200 credits for free and all these take this much credit to generate an image. For example, this is Recraft version 3. This takes in 100 credits per generation. Just like that, Flux Chanel takes in 10 credits. You can compare all these models here. So I'm going to choose this default one, go back. You can choose the style. So you can choose the style from here. I'm going to make it cinematic, go back. Choose the aspect ratio, which is currently profile picture, which is 1:1. So I can slide this around like this. Let's make it 16:9, go back and make sure to use one image. You can choose the number of images. I can make it more, but I'm going to choose one. And let's type a prompt here. I'm going to type in the prompt, which is generate a mountain lion in space. Let's click on generate and see what it generates for us. And like you see here on the top right, you're going to find that it's taken 10 credits from a total balance. So that confirms it. So if I choose a Recraft version 3, I'm only going to be able to make 2 images with Bonkers. And if I subscribe to the Pro plan, I will get a lot more credits. This is just for the free version. So this is the AI art that it has created, but I'm not seeing any lion here. It's only mountains. Let's regenerate this. Now this one has that mountain lion in it, but it has too many of these planets here. Let's click on Flux Pro and generate the same thing again. Now this took more time compared to Flux Chanel, but with Flux Pro, I think it has created a better image compared to the last 2 images that we have created. Looks quite good. Now I can click on this button to download it to my computer. Or there's also regenerate, but I'm not able to do it because my credits are over. You can also reuse parameters or make it private, but with this, you need to upgrade to the paid plan. There's also share. You can share it to other social media channels or to WhatsApp and copy link, etc. On the right, you can also do this, use model, use prompt, use style, reuse the style for a new image or regenerate and such. And on the complete right, you're going to find all the AI art that you have generated till now. So you can switch between them. There is also history on the left, which is going to show you again the same thing, which you saw on the right. Now, if I go to the bottom, you can see upgrade. So if I click here, you can see the pricing page of Merlin. So if you talk about the pricing, you're going to get all of these inside one tool, which is so that you only have to pay $19 per month, billed at $228 per year. Now, instead of paying all this, which is going to amount to like $100 per month if you purchased individually, why not just get the Pro plan? And the monthly is $29 per month, and with annual you're getting it at $19 per month. Yes, that's it. This is how to use Bonkers by Merlin AI. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.